The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain the difference between a guardian ad litem, an attorney for the child, and a child's representative. So all three of these roles are attorneys that are appointed to advocate for the child and represent the child's best interest in a child custody case typically. But they kind of have different roles. The guardian ad litem, also known as a GAL, is sort of an agent for the court. The attorney for the child is not an agent for the court. They are what it sounds like, an attorney appointed to represent a child. And the child's representative is somewhere in between an agent of the court and an attorney for the child. So let's talk about what a GAL does first. Their main job is to investigate what custody arrangement is going to be in the best interest of the child. That's the rule of thumb for how courts make custody decisions. So they'll interview the child, interview the parents, and basically any other relevant parties that might have something to say about the matter, sometimes do a home visit, and they'll file a report with the court, basically stating the results of their investigation, what they recommend the custody arrangement should be for the best interest of the child. Now, courts usually follow the GAL's recommendations, but they don't have to. In addition to their role in reporting to the court, they can also be an advocate for the child. So they can issue discovery, they can file motions, they can basically advocate before the court towards the best interest of the child. They can be cross-examined by both parties about the contents of their report, so they can be called to the stand. So that's what a guardian ad litem is. An attorney for the child, like I said earlier, is exactly what it sounds like. It's an attorney that's appointed to represent the child. They don't have any duty to meet with the child or the parents or to investigate the best interests of the child. They don't file a report with the court. They can't be cross-examined. Unlike a guardian ad litem, communications between the attorney for the child and the child, him or herself, and the attorney for the child's work product is covered by attorney-client privilege. GAL work product isn't. The child's representative, on the other hand, is somewhere between a GAL and an attorney for the child. Like the GAL, the child's representative is required to meet with the parents and the child. They do not submit a report to the court, but they will sometimes file a pretrial memorandum kind of laying out what they think the best situation for the child will be. They are not subject to cross-examination, unlike a GAL, who is subject to cross-examination. So child's representatives, because they're typically required to meet with the child and the parents, are usually appointed only in cases where the child is old enough to kind of understand what's going on. And they still have, like an attorney for the child, like a GAL, the child's representative, can file motions, file discovery, and basically generally advocate for the child. Attorneys for the child, as opposed to a GAL and child's representative, are often appointed in cases where there's an estate involved for the child. So where the child has assets and the attorney for the child is representing not necessarily as much the best interest of the child in the custody situation, although that can come into play too, but they're representing the child's best interest with respect to the child's assets. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. We try to respond to questions within a couple days. If you found this helpful and would like to be informed of our daily article and video topics that we post, you can subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and that helps us too. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.